Hello everyone, this is Tim with Paintball Tek. I'm going to shoot a video for you guys today of a kind of unique gun. This is a custom built Empire axe. A body that was milled by a company called Nummech, a good friend of mine named Andy. It is built from a custom blank that he built. He designed. If you look very, very closely right here, you can kind of see that there's a detachable eye cover that's milled into the side of the body. You can also see on the front here, there's his logo milled into one of the facets, the Nummech logo. The whole marker is also decked out with Nummech parts, the front reg extender and the Nummech axe grip. The body itself is called the Necro body. It is a 3D scan that was adapted into CAD. The scan was from a medical file of a human spinal cord. Which you can kind of see the base of the tailbone coming up into each individual vertebrae down the body. So we can get some light on it to see it. This is the more intricate of the bodies he did. There are a few other ones that were done with less spikes and less stabby bits. But this one you wouldn't want to grab or fall on because some of the edges are still fairly sharp, but it's a beautiful body. So anyway, it's on semi-automatic, capped at I want to say 18 or 15 or 18, something like that. Anyway, very beautiful gun. More a piece of art than something I would really want to play with, but came out looking really neat in the all black anno. Anyway guys, thanks very much. Have a good day.